What is up, everybody? It's Jake. We're at this Henry. We're gonna walk to this behind us here.
Henry Clay Furnace.
What is it?
Henry Clay Furnace.
All right, let me flip it around. Yeah. That way. That way. Yeah. You ready? You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Get off your phone.
Checking on our baby.
We gotta go down this hill. I got the little Clay Furnace Trail map here. So we parked right up here. This little circle, we're parked right here. Now we're right, probably I would say like, well we're right there. We're to go down. Go around this little ledge here and down near the water. The furnace should be down right down here. It's not on that map. I don't know why. But it should be down there. Better be. So we're doing that. Doing it right now. We're going. Alright, Becky, ready? Set, run!
I'm not running. Stop before you fall on your face.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. FaceTime. We're doing it. We're walking the trail. We're walking it. You're a goofball.
You're a goofball.
Oh, we're walking. I think we're going probably like a quarter of a mile. Still got longer to go. Still going. Well, we have walked, it said almost a mile, but I didn't feel like a mile. Hasn't been a long time. But let me flip it back around here. Alright, well we got to this point where we're coming from this side, but the trail keeps going that way. And then there's also a trail that goes that way. The sign here says Clay Furnace Trail, left or right. So I don't know what this little thing is. But then if you go over here, look, there's a furnace over here. We gotta go down and check it out. Oh man, we gotta climb down this hill. Oh, this is gonna be a little fun. I wonder, there might be another way back up on that side.
I see a bridge over there, actually.
But yeah, we're gonna check this out right here. Alright, instead of going down, this is muddy and wet. We're gonna try to go around the other way. I think Becky's already going down this way. So we're gonna go follow this trail just a little bit farther from, oh, so that's an advanced ski trail that goes that way. We're gonna go back that way where we parked, but we're gonna go down here and around. Yep, Becky's down there. I see her down there. Walk down this hill. And it is steep here, guys. It's rocky. Careful with your feet. Don't twist the ankle, because it wouldn't be hard to do. Wear the proper shoes too. Flip-flops ain't gonna cut it. Some boots or some tennis shoes maybe. Boots would probably be best bet. I got tennis shoes on now. It's working now. Oh man. I see it. It's over there. Follow this trail down here. Pretty big. It's pretty big. Becky's like, you can go inside. I like the ferns and stuff growing on the side and these trees.
Tree coming out.
It's pretty neat looking. You can kind of go inside this.
No, not this one.
Yeah, not this one. It's got a. You can see a chute under there. Did you see this? This is cool. This is really neat. Go around to the other side here. Oh man.
Oh, oh, oh.
Careful now. Careful. Watch your footing. Oh. Ow. Bumped my head.
Cool.
Oh, it's drippy.
Well, this is the first one we've been able to go inside.
Wow. Yeah, don't touch the walls though, because it hasn't really been, no new work has been done to it. So structurally, nothing's changed in a couple hundred years. At least 200 probably.
It was built in the early 1800s.
Look at this piece is right here.
It's so
Yeah.
attached right there.
Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
There's tool marks on that one too.
So
I think.
one of
Maybe.
these.
Yeah. Kind of looks like tool marks unless it was.
There's some there too. Well, this is pretty cool.
The rocks are all breaking.
Go back out and look at the rest of the round here. It's pretty steep and kind of damp in here. I gotta get back down here. This is gonna be fun. Oh. Whoa. Who made it out? That's cool. Oh, there's a nice little stream over here. The stream goes. So the furnace sat on the stream here, this little riverway. There's actually an old bridge right there that they put a wooden bridge over. Let's go see what Becky's looking at. We're going to go out 1849. Oh my god. Oh, what's this metal thing on the ground here? Some pipe here. This is probably something from it.
Oh, get one for the elephant.
Pretty big. Oh, here's some pieces. These are iron. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Well, that's it from here, from this furnace. Henry Clay iron furnace in Cooper State Forest Park, or, well, Cooper State Forest. Let's say that. But remember guys, like and share. You know of any cool places to check out? Let me know. Comment below if you've been here before. Let me know if you know any more cool stuff in the area, or any more history about this furnace, or maybe one I haven't got a video of yet. So, until next time, see you guys later. Say bye. We made it. Made it back up. We're a little exhausted. You exhausted?
A little bit.
You're breathing a little hard. We did.